Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending August 21st, the three major indexes declined a bit from last week as the price of oil and geopolitical events continue to weigh on investors. The housing market index was stronger than expected due to an increase in single-family home sales. The Northeast, South, and West regions all saw improvement. Building permits were up 5% in July, but housing starts were roughly 12.5% lower, suggesting that builders remain cautious about committing capital despite obtaining approvals for those homes. Import prices declined in July. However, import prices from China were up 0.8%, the largest increase since January of 2008. Industrial production was slightly weaker than expected, but still relatively strong, growing 0.2% in July. Pending home sales in July were much weaker than expected, down 2.3%, as higher mortgage rates continue to put pressure on the housing market. And finally, the leading economic index was stronger than expected in July and indicated that the 6-month growth rate turned positive for the first time in 4 years. Year to date, the Dow is up 10.9%, the S&P is up 12.1%, and the Nasdaq is up 12.6%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.73%. Oil closed up at $86.82 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,616.81 an ounce, with silver closing at $69.41 an ounce. For this week of August 24th, Tuesday we'll get the home price index, new home sales, and consumer confidence data. Wednesday, durable goods orders, the second quarter GDP estimate, personal income, personal spending, and the PCE price index all will be reported. The PCE price index measures the changes in the prices of goods and services paid by consumers. It is a key measure of inflation. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims and retail and wholesale inventory data. And on Friday, the University of Michigan Consumer Survey will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.